All right, so here we are. We're on another fall cleanup job. Cameron's getting unloaded. We're gonna go ahead and do a quick mow and clean out all the flower beds. I'll take you around to the other side of the house. All right, so here's the back side of the house. We're gonna kind of go through here, push all these leaves to the back. They just want to put them in the back flower bed. Seems to be a pretty common thing this year. All right, so she's all finished. It's about 3.5 hours. The whole front, got the side clean. About good.